Hi everyone, welcome to Carmen's Australian Storytime. I am showing you the last process now of going into the hives. Mr. Jones is just backing the truck up with the empty frame. Yeah, good. So as you can see, it's very hot. There's so many bees on the outside. I just want to show you because it's the most beautiful thing. Look at them all. They are hot. It is a very hot day today. They're not loving this at all. Let's see if I can put the camera there. Actually, I'll turn it off. Alright, so I'm going to smoke a little bit so that they move off the top. So they've gone in like this because the queen's in underneath. This wire frame on the very bottom box is called the excluder. This stops the queen from moving into the other boxes, and down in that box is where the queen lives and where the brood lives and where all the action's happening. So we put the excluder on to keep it away from the honey that we'd like to rob or harvest, depending on which word you like to use. Alright, I think my smoker's not working very well. This is my least favourite part because this is when I get stung, so I'm actually going to turn it off. You might not get to see this part because as you can see there's a lot of bees and they're not very happy that I've come back. So